What's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE, and right now we're about to check out Kiss of Life Sticky, a summer bop. It seems like, I mean, we are in summer. Not my favorite season. I like fall and spring more. But put in the comments down below, what's your favorite season? Is it winter? I don't know. Summer, I mean, I'm here for the summer bops for summer. But, you know, listen, it's just hot. It's hot out here. And I'm used to different types of hot. I'm different, like, this is dry heat, is different. Be sure to check out my Patreon. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Let's get into this. Kiss of Life Sticky. Interesting title track. But, I mean, I do get, like, sticky with sweat, obviously, in the summer. But in 3, 2, 1, capture's on 4K. Let's get it. Oh, okay, girly pop. Okay, with the outfit. With the outfit, for real though. Oh, we just laid out in this area. Oh. Ooh. Wait a second. Ooh, it's just like, okay, so basically like a teaser. Oh. What the hell? Why y'all showing off flexibility? Like, hold up. Like, I wish I could do that. Wait. Oh my God. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. What am I getting myself into? What the? Yeah, that's me when I listen. That's me when I ride my bike too. Like, first of all, where are we going? I like the other bicycle. Look at all the other bicycles out there. That's cool. Ooh. Okay, transition. I like that. I like the chorus a lot already. Okay, she getting back at it. Let's go. Hey, hey. So wait, say it again. Fall in love. Sticky, sticky. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that was different. That was different. Hey. Oh. Oh. Shh. Hey, yo. Shout out to all the dancers. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. What the hell? Got me dripping like gelato melted. Hey, 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 hey. Get it. Let's go. Oh, not the wall. We on the wall this time? Hold up. Ooh. Oh, okay. That was graceful. Let's go, dancers. Okay, Nati. Are we in wait, what are we watching in theater? Hold up. Sorry. Just someone swimming? Let's go, Belle. These transitions to like the darkness. Ooh, I love her hair. Like Julie, I'm talking about? Aw. Woo! Hey, hey! Get it, get it, get it! Oh my God! That's cute. Oh, in the fountain! Oh, she's adorable. Oh, we got water. That shot was crazy. What the hell? If I see any dance covers go into a freaking fountain to do this one scene, amazing. Okay, Miss Dance. Oh my god. Eight. Wait, what? Hold up. This from the beginning? Like the when like Sugarcoat era? Oh shit, what the hell? Put a comment down below what you guys think of Kiss of Life Sticky. My god. Hannah with a Brazil shirt. She look cute. Belle, Nati, Julie. Okay, pop off queens. Again, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. This is your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.